Hello friends, welcome to my channel Go Digit. Today in this video we will learn about different types of email accounts which we can create in the Dynamics 365 Business Central. Okay, so this is, as you can see, it's a cloud trial version of the Business Central I'm running at the moment, and I have already opened up the email accounts page. For those who do not know how to open this page, then you can go to the search button and type here email accounts, and from here you can select this and it will open up this page. Okay, so now uh, as you can see, currently there is nothing in this page which is listed out here. Okay, so if we want to create a new email accounts for our business central, so that for any process, if we want to send an email directly from the business central, we can do that. Okay, prior to business central, during our Navision days, we have only one method to create the email accounts in our Navision, and that is SMTP. Okay, SMTP mail accounts and SMTP mail setup. But now in the Business Central, we have a few more options are available which are quite easy to set up, and within a few clicks only we can configure them, and easy to and it becomes so easy to send an email directly from the Business Central. So let's get started. When I click on the new button, you can see I have these options available. Add an email account. I'll click here and this opens up a wizard form kind of page for me. So let's get click on next, and here as you can see there are currently three options available. Guys, this is the first option called Microsoft 365. It says that we have to use the Microsoft 365 shared mailboxes. We will understand that what it is. Okay, the second option is the current users, which means the users send email from their sign-in account. And the third one is the SMTP, which is an old method, and I believe we should not use this because these two methods are quite easy to configure and quite the latest one, so we have to opt for the latest technology only. Because for the SMTP sometimes it does not work and you have to take the help of your IT personnel who can help you in opening up the SMTP ports, in configuring them, and so on. Okay, but with these two it becomes so easy that you can do it by yourself also. So let's see this second option first, which is the which means the current user. The user send email from their sign-in account. So if I click on cancel, it means that the users, if I go to the users page, and here as you can see all the users which will be listed out here. Okay, because they are the genuine users of the Business Central, they have their own email accounts available. Okay, so they can use them to send an email from the Business Central. It's so easy, right? You do not require any other thing. So let's get back to the page, and I'll click here, click on next, select the second option, then click on next, and it is saying that everyone will send the email messages from their own email account. Everyone who uses this account must have a valid license for Microsoft Exchange. All right, so only these two things are required, and that's it. Click on next, and succeeded. You have successfully added your email account. To check that is working, send a test mail. So if I click here and select this, that I want to receive a test mail on this email account, I'll click on OK, and see test email has been sent. Okay, guys, although you can see at the moment that this email is but this is a trial version, so do not send any sort of messages here. You will Those messages will not reach to this email ID. Okay, so it is just for the testing I'm showing you. Okay, so it's not a valid email at the moment. So but now it's finish, and now it is so easy that you can use this setup email account to send an emails to anybody, and to your vendors, to your customers, to anyone, right from the Business Central, right? So for example, if I type here compose email, See, from the current user, it is showing me that it will use the email account which I have already configured, and it is a default one. So that is why from will always be fixed. Now you can type any sort of email to whom you want to send an email directly from the Business Central. Type the subject, type the message, and send an email. Also, you would like, if you would like to attach anything, you can always do that. Okay, so this is one of the option which is available. Okay, let's see the second option. And if I click here again, click on next, this is the second option says that it needs Microsoft 365 account. Obviously our second account was also Microsoft 365, but it is saying here that it needs a shared mailbox. So let's understand what is shared mailbox. So for this you have to open up the Microsoft 365 admin center, right? It will be available for your company, so you can always ask to the global administrator, and he or she can assign the rights, the everything which you want in your Business Central from the permissions perspective. They can do it right away from here. So for example, if I open this, I click here, and as you can see, this is the active user at the moment. Okay, so if I open this from here, your global administrator can assign all sorts of licenses. And for example, this is the license which I have assigned to this user, and they can use the Business Central for that. And this is the email ID account and so on. Okay, so now for the shared mailbox, because right now, as you can see, there is no shared mailbox available. So for to create a new shared mailbox, you have to open the Teams and Group section, then click on the shared mailbox. Okay, now you can see there is nothing which you can say that is a shared mailbox kind of thing available. So what you need to do is that click on here, and now we have to give the name and the email ID kind of thing. So for example, here I could type here info, okay, and then uh, it could say like that info at the rate this email ID. Okay, save changes, and that's it. Your shared mailbox was created. Okay, now the next step is that we have to add the members to our shared mailbox. So shared mailbox is a concept where you create a unique, a common email ID, and then assign multiple members to that email ID, so that when any user send an email to this particular email ID, all the members gets notified. Okay, so because I have only one user at here at the moment, I'll click on add, and that's it. The user gets attached to this, and now this is the unique common email ID, okay, which users can use to send an email and to receive an email. Okay, guys, I'm again saying it's a trial version, so after the uploading of this video, I will definitely delete this account, so do not send any sort of emails to this email ID. Okay, so that's it. Now you can you can see here that if you click here, you can see all sorts of information which is available. Okay, and if you want to update anything, you can always do that. And now if you go to the Business Central, click on add an email account, click on next, select this first option, and now you can type here info and then your email ID, info at the rate codigit dot on microsoft.com kind of thing. Okay, click on next, and that's it. Your shared mailbox gets created. Okay, so this is how we can use and configure these two options, which are super easy to configure and super easy to use. Okay, so there is no need of any SMTP mail setup kind of thing to configure here, because we have these two super easy options available. It's just that you need to you need to discuss your requirement with your global administrator, and they can always create some kind of thing in their organizational account of Microsoft 365 Admin Center, and that's it. You can start immediately using these features. So in today's video, that's all. I hope you like this video. If you like this, I request you to please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video.